Hello bachcho, let's see this question. The potential energy of a freely falling object decreases progressively. Does this violate the law of conservation of energy? Why? So this question has two parts. First I will discuss, in the first part I will discuss where does the potential energy go and why does it decrease. Okay. So in first part I will discuss this thing. Imagine a ball like this being under a free fall journey, and this is our ground, and it is coming down from some height. It is coming down from some height h. Okay, now this is a ball and this is our ground. Okay, so first of all we know our basic formula of potential energy, that is equal to mgh. Okay, now this is our ground where h is equal to 0, so this is our reference ground. Okay, so potential energy is mgh, so it is directly proportional to height. As the ball comes down, as the ball comes down, height h decreases continuously. Right, height h decreases continuously, and since potential energy is directly proportional to height, potential energy also decreases. Now you understood why potential energy decreases, because as the ball comes down, height h, the formula's factor h is decreasing continuously. So as h decreases, potential energy also decreases. Now if I talk about kinetic energy, now I'll tell you where does this potential energy go. Does it fade away or what happens? Listen to me carefully. Kinetic energy has a formula of half mv square. Now we know. Now why does a free fall, when a ball is left under a free fall from a height, why does it come down? Due to the gravitational force, right? Gx on it. We know gravitational force acts on it, that is the ball. Now this increases velocity as ball comes closer to the ground. Right, now this increases the velocity of the ball as it comes closer to the ground. Now we can clearly see that kinetic is directly proportional to the velocity square. Hence we can also say that kinetic energy, the increase in velocity lead to increase in kinetic energy in turn. So kinetic energy also increases. Now can you relate where was the potential energy gone and from where the kinetic energy came? Yeah, you thought right. Potential energy which was decreased is somehow converted into kinetic energy. Now we will move to the second part of this question, where it is talking about the law of conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. Now law of conservation of energy says, now what does law of conservation of energy say? Does it say kinetic energy is constant or does it say potential energy is constant? No. It says is the total mechanical energy remains constant. Now you understood what it is. The total mechanical energy remains constant. What is mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay. So we can write our final answer through this. That is, so in this case, we'll write first potential energy decreased is converted to kinetic energy. First part of the question. But throughout motion, mechanical energy remains conserved. That is, kinetic energy plus potential energy remains conserved. Okay. Hence, law of conservation of energy is valid. So I hope you got the question. Thank you so much.